If you want to build wealth faster than the average person, then you have to avoid the #1 wealth killer that almost nobody is talking about. At first glance, you might think it's rent, groceries, or even those overpriced lattes everyone blames. But it's not. Take a look at how the average person spends their money each month. Housing, taxes, transportation, entertainment, and then all those random little purchases that add up over time. Now, one of these looks harmless on the surface, but in reality, it's slowly draining your chance at financial freedom. Real quick, don't forget to subscribe for more money tips every week and comment below with the biggest expense that eats your budget. You might see it featured in a future video. Let's go through them. First up, housing. It's expensive, no doubt about it, but at least you're getting a roof over your head, so it's not that. Next, taxes. Annoying, yes, but unavoidable. And if you're smart, there are ways to legally minimize them. How about food and utilities? Sure, they're costly, but you can shop smarter, cook at home, and bring them down without too much effort. So what's left? The real wealth killer is lifestyle creep, or what I like to call silent spending. It's the habit of increasing your expenses every time your income goes up. A promotion at work? Suddenly it's time for a bigger apartment. A bonus? You deserve that new gadget. A little raise? Time to upgrade your car. On paper, your income is growing, but in reality, your savings aren't moving at all because your lifestyle is eating everything in sight. Let me show you how damaging this is. If you earn $50,000 a year and keep your spending at $35,000, you can save $15,000. But the moment you get a raise to $60,000 instead of saving more, most people increase their lifestyle to $45,000 or even $55,000, which means despite making more money, they're not actually building more wealth. This trap is everywhere. The $6 daily coffee that doesn't feel like much, the gym membership you don't use, the $1,200 phone upgrade every year, and don't forget subscriptions. In 2024, the average household was paying over $219 every month on subscriptions alone, many of which they forgot they even had. That's over $2,600 a year silently leaving your account. Here's the kicker. Lifestyle creep disguises itself as rewarding yourself, and marketers love this. They tell you that success looks like luxury vacations, designer clothes, and driving the latest car. What they don't show you is the credit card statement and the stress that comes with it. The result? You might look rich on Instagram, but your bank account is begging for help. Let's talk opportunity cost. Say you gave in to lifestyle creep and spend an extra $500 a month on little upgrades. That's $6,000 a year. Over 10 years at a modest 8% return invested in the stock market, that could grow to almost $90,000. Over 30 years, it's nearly $740,000. That's not pocket change. That's retirement money or the down payment on multiple properties. So how do you beat lifestyle creep before it beats you? Step 1. Lock in your lifestyle. When you get a raise, decide in advance how much will go towards savings and investments before you even touch it. Even if it's 50-50, you'll build wealth without feeling deprived. Step 2. Audit your silent spending. Look through your bank statement, highlight everything you forgot you paid for, and cut it. If you're not using it, it's robbing you. Step 3. Automate your wealth building. Set automatic transfers into your investment account or savings right after payday. That way, you never even see the money as spendable. If you want to get rich, it's not always about earning more. It's about keeping more of what you earn. Remember, lifestyle creep is the wealth killer that hides in plain sight. Beat it now, and your future self will thank you. And if you want me to show you simple step-by-step ways to start investing, I'll leave a video up here, but don't click it just yet. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss the next strategy.